First Minister, thousands of people in Wales are still waiting more than 2 years for treatment on the Welsh NHS, whereas in England, 2-year waits were virtually eradicated some time ago, which proves that ending 2-year waits can be achieved. During the election campaign, you said that 2-year waits could end in a matter of months, but your new health minister has said it will happen within 4 years. So my question is, what expectations has your government set for 2-year waits? Is it the promise that you made during the election campaign, or is it what your health minister has said more recently? And if it is the latter, will you apologise to voters for misleading them during the campaign?
I'm grateful to the Leader of the Opposition for now agreeing with us that health is a priority here in Wales. Listen, I've made it very, very clear that there are two elements to what we're trying to do. We want to cut waiting lists in the short term, and we want to build a sustainable health and care service for the long term. I reiterate that a priority for us now is to tackle in the coming months those issues of the longest 2-year waits. And in fact, I'm not waiting for the next months. Work has already begun to put in practice the changes that are necessary to tackle that very issue.